Hey there, welcome to Designer Savvy. Come on in and I'll give you a glimpse of where it all takes place. The first stop will be my office. Many hours are spent here planning, preparing, and editing so I can bring you all the absolute best content. The next stop is the dining room, one of our family hubs, and my favorite room for entertaining. Do you catch yourself dreaming about a beautifully decorated and well-organized home? Hi, I'm Nancy. I love all things home inside and out, and I've been where you are, passionate about wanting to decorate my home but not having the money, or passionate about wanting to decorate my home and not having any idea where to begin. My journey began as a little girl decorating and organizing my room, and then I moved on to organizing and decorating the living room. And from then on, that little girl grew up. She went to design school, had lots of clients, lots of experiences, and sometimes learned some hard lessons. But I've learned a lot of valuable tips along the way and hacks. I can show you how to save valuable time and money, and I can show you how to have that beautiful home that you've been dreaming of. A home that you can be proud of and that you created for your own family. Come join me and we'll take it one room at a time. You don't have to do it alone. I'll break it down for you into simple, easy to follow steps that you can use in any room in your home. If you share the same passion of home and family, you'll want to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I'll let you know weekly when I post new videos. You won't want to miss any of that content. Let's get started, and you'll want to start with these first 4 videos. Keep watching for a 2-minute tour and a glimpse of my channel.